Today we present the Icon Flight. The Icon Flight is built on an English woodspring saddle tree. It has a supportive seat, narrow twist, and is suitable for many different horse shapes. The tree has a shape that can help give riders more support for their back, this giving you greater comfort and security. The design helps to keep the weight and pressure of the rider more to the front of the horse at the wither, which is the horse's center of balance. For a horse with a straighter back, this can be beneficial by ensuring the distribution of the rider's weight does not fall backwards onto the horse, which could cause discomfort for both horse and rider. The Icon Flight features an open pommel, creating even pressure distribution along the back, giving maximum wither clearance and freedom. With 7 different Nero options, the Icon Flight can be customized to fit many different rider conformations and has endless options to help make the Icon Flight the perfect saddle for you and your horse. Custom Saddlery is always here to help you to have the best ride possible.